All right, guys, we are back, and we are back once again at the Harborside Bar Grill in West Ocean City. You know the address here? You don't really need it.
12842. That's what I'm going to go with.
There you go. Don't plug that into the Google Maps, but close enough. Once you get on Harbor Road, coming past the Ocean City Marlin Club and all the goodies, you're going to see Harborside Bar and Grill right on the left-hand side. You can't miss it. If you haven't been here before, you're making a huge mistake. Beautiful food, awesome staff. Brother from another mother,
My man.
Bobby Connor.
My man.
No longer head chef, but still
I believe the
head
face
chef in my heart.
the face of Harborside? I don't know.
We'll call it that. Yeah, we'll call it that. So don't necessarily come in looking for the man, but you can mention him by name, and the food's going to be outstanding. Today, new menu item on the menu all the time. He told me what it is, and I'm really, really excited.
It's nice, it's clean, it's simple, wrapped up nice and tight.
There we go.
It's a jerk chicken taco.
I love jerk chicken, and I love tacos, so those two things together are going to be absolutely gorgeous. We're just putting this together, right?
Yeah, we're just going to put it together, man. So, you know what I mean? Listen, get yourself some corn tortilla shells.
Let me help.
Put them on the flat top, get them a little toasty.
Yep.
You know it's always best. So here at Harborside, we serve our tacos with seasoned cabbage. So we season it with a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of salt and pepper.
Yep.
And it's golden.
That's easy.
Flip it over.
Do that one. Because we're going to share here.
Yeah,
there we go.
No question.
So you fill both of them, I'm going to help out.
We're going to go with that.
All right, up
So
next.
anybody's ever eaten any of our tacos knows we get mango salsa
That's really, really good. A little bit sweet.
on all of our tacos.
It's sweeter than your typical tomato salsa, which is very, very nice. Gives it a little bit of that tropical flair, right?
Yep. Put a little bit of acid, tomatoes.
That's
I mean, everything looks pretty.
Beautiful so far. Yep.
Some banana peppers. That's a little bit of little bite right there.
A little bit of heat, but still sweet. This is all really good to me.
So here we go.
And I could eat this just fine, just like that. No protein, but.
So I think everybody knows how to do jerk chicken at this point. You know what I mean? You can either do it on a grill, a flat top of your oven. You season it, bake it, grill it, pan fry it, however you want to do it.
How do you guys do it? You grill
We grill it.
Yeah,
we grill ours.
Yep. A couple of nice hunks. Yeah. All right.
Now I'm sure the staff in the back will make it look a lot prettier.
Yeah, we're TV, man. We're no cut television. None of this editing crap. We go straight through. And what is this? This is this
honey mustard, man. You're saying.
Oh my God.
Nice and simple, wrapped up nice and tight.
There it is, guys. So this is on the menu all the time. Right?
Brand new.
Brand new.
Brand new.
When you come in here, might be the first time you're seeing this. Jerk chicken tacos at Harborside Bar and Grill. The jerk chicken looks amazing. The tacos look tacos, and I can't wait to eat this. Ready?
Yeah, man.
There we go. Grab yours. Taco, that is.
I got it.
You got it?
Okay.
Okay. Oh my, look at this. Here we go. Here we go.
Cheers,
Ready?
buddy.
Hold on, let's do this right. Ready?
I don't know how to do
man.
that.
You ain't been in a wedding? There we go.
That's where they got real messy.
And if you do that in the restaurant, you will be on somebody's social media, so be real careful. Bro! Come on back. Yeah. Give him the phone number real quick while I eat a little bit more.
410-213-1846.
Gosh,
I don't know about the address, but we got the road right.
Harbor Road, man. Harbor Road, West Ocean City. The guy said before we started shooting, this is becoming a landmark. This has been a landmark. Harborside Bar and Grill, West Ocean City. Make sure you come by. Tell them we sent you. See you after the break. That's delicious.
All right, buddy.
There's another one you ain't getting any of.